Let's start with the topic. What is a balance sheet? Uh, Balance sheet is a statement showing the financial positions of a business on a particular date. Okay, it helps us to find out. It shows what the business owns, means assets, and what it owes, means liabilities, and plus honors capital. Okay, the simple equations which is applied on balance sheet is assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. Let's see the format of a balance sheet. Okay, there are two common formats of balance sheet. Okay, see here, horizontal account form type, capital and liabilities on left side, and in right side, assets. Okay, assets is included. And we have to balance the amount on lower. Okay, and see the second type, vertical, which is also called a report form type, on the upper side, capital and liabilities, and down assets, and we have to balance the amount. Okay, here and here, and we will use the horizontal format in today's video for simplicity. Let's see items that go in the balance sheet. Let's divide the items into sides. Okay, first liabilities and capital side. Here is capital, which included opening plus net profit, and we have to deduct drawings. Okay, and then loans, which include uh, bank loan, long term borrowings. Okay, and lastly current liabilities, which includes creditors, outstanding expenses, and etc. Okay, and C, uh, other side, asset side. Okay, which include fixed assets, current assets, prepaid expenses, or acquired incomes. Okay, see here, fixed assets like building, machinery, furniture. Okay, like that. Now see the steps to prepare a balance sheet. Step one: bring capital from trial balance. Okay, add net profit, bill, and less deduct drawings. Okay, and step two: list liabilities like creditors, outstanding wages, loan payable. It's okay. See step three: list fixed assets. Okay, add buildings, machinery, etc. Like fixed assets. Okay, and less depreciations expenses. Okay, and step four: add current assets like cash, bank, closing stock, debtors, prepaid rent, etc. Okay, and lastly, check the totals by applying equations. Assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. Both sides should have to be matched. If not, recheck entries. Now let's see practical example of balance sheet. Here is given capital, net profit, drawings, creditors, loan, building, furniture, cash, debtors, closing stock. We have to find out which is assets or which is liabilities before applying into balance sheet. Okay, see here. Here is the balance sheet as on 31st March. Okay, uh, on left side liabilities and capital, and on right side assets. Okay, capital account is a capital, so we have included capital account. Then opening capital, it is 40,000, so 40,000, and we have to add opening net profit in capital account. Okay, see here, add net profit. Okay, and less drawings, we have less drawings, and lastly by balancing the amount we have the amount 45,000 adjusted capital. Okay, all the liabilities, okay, is included on left side liabilities and capital account, and on right side assets, building, furniture, debtors, cash, closing stock, all are assets. Okay, uh, by and lastly and lastly uh, we had balanced the amount. Okay, and see, 65,000 is the equal amount, so it is the correct. So here are some common error or mistakes people make while preparing a balance sheet. See, forgetting to adjust for drawings or net profit in capital. Okay, and second, posting amounts in the wrong side. Example, putting assets as liabilities. Okay, And lastly, missing adjustments like closing stock or outstanding expenses. Always double check and label your accounts clearly. Let's see why balance sheets matter. Okay, balance sheets can answer our questions like how much is the business worth? Okay, are we financially healthy? Can we pay our short-term liabilities? Okay, and what do we own versus what we owe? It's a key for investors, owners, and banks to assess business performance. And that's how you create a balance sheet using your final accounts step by step. In the next video, we will explore adjustments in final accounts like outstanding expenses, prepaid items, and more. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave your doubts in the comments. Thanks for watching and keep learning with Paper Coaching.